How do greenhouse growers make sure that every plant receives exactly the right amount of nutrients at the right time? The answer simply isn't adding fertilizer. It starts with an understanding that plants need different nutrients at different stages of life. During the rooting stage, plants receive minimum fertilizer because the main goal is strong root development. During the vegetative stage, the focus shifts on growing strong leaves and stems, and hence plants need more nitrogen at this time. Once plants begin flowering or fruiting, nitrogen is reduced and potassium becomes more important for flower and fruit development. To deliver these nutrients accurately, greenhouses use fertigation, which is a combination of water and soluble fertilizer. An injector like dosatron, as seen in the background video, uses water pressure to pull fertilizer from a concentrated stock tank and mix it into the irrigation water so that the crop receives a consistent nutrient solution. Growers also use parts per million to measure nutrient concentration. For example, 200 parts per million nitrogen means 200 milligrams of nitrogen in every liter of final irrigation solution. Depending upon the plant, this is adjusted, and finally, EC or electrical conductivity is measured to check the strength of the fertilizer solution, because more dissolved fertilizer increases conductivity. Calcium is another important nutrient because it helps build strong cell walls. However, calcium can react with phosphates and sulfates, forming precipitates that are not available to plants, and it can also clog irrigation equipment. That is why some fertilizers are kept separated and rotated as in separate stock tanks. And finally, temperature affects how well plants can actually use these nutrients. It influences photosynthesis, respiration, and transpiration, which all affects nutrient uptake and plant growth. So successful greenhouse nutrition is about the right nutrient at the right concentration, at the right growth stage, under the right environmental conditions. Thank you.